Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing today? So a guy showed up at my door the other day with this 1908 ZENO 1-cent stick gum vending machine, and I bought it from him. We're not going to go through the machine. I typically don't do videos on this type of stuff. However, I do want to show you that it works. When you buy this, you guys are going to get it restored. I'm not going to do it. 1908 ZENO stick gum machine, porcelain cabinet. As you see, it's been knocked around a little bit. Got the back door, no lock. But the guts are here. You know, somebody's done, come on up here. Somebody's done a little bit of work here, but this is the important part. I want to show you that the machine do work. That's how an old 1908 ZENO stick gum vending machine works.
It's a thing of beauty.
Isn't it? It pushes the gum out. Anyway, it's here. It will push gum out. 1908 ZENO 1-cent porcelain gum vending machine, and it's ready to be restored. Thanks for watching our videos. Remember, we're always doing restorations.
Hey, just out of curiosity, what would one of these fully restored go for?
Probably $24.95, maybe a few more bucks. Fully restored nicely, $2,500.
Okay, so some collector that wants to restore it, great. Otherwise, if somebody wants to leave it as is with its...
I could do that. I mean, that's not that hard to do. You know what I mean? You just have to touch it up very nicely, paint it up, get the black on it. It'll come out actually really very nice. Wash the mechanism, put a lock in it, you're good to go. Anyway, grab it. It'll be a fun project.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.